The intake gasket forms a seal between the carburetor and the isolator. Its large size also creates a barrier between the carburetor and the cylinder, blocking the engine heat from the carburetor to prevent vapor lock. The gasket will typically be replaced when the carburetor is removed for servicing. If the gasket doesn't seal tightly, excess air will leak past, causing the engine to run lean. A lean running engine will run poorly and can eventually cause expensive cylinder and piston damage. Replacing the intake gasket is a repair that you could do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Now remove the two bolts that secure the prevent plate and the carburetor. I'll pull the carburetor out of the way and remove the intake gasket. Now I can install the new intake gasket. You'll notice a notch in one side of the gasket. That notch fits around the casting next to the blower housing. Next, I'll thread the bolts through the carburetor, the other intake gasket, and I'll remount this assembly to the engine. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's all it takes to install a new intake gasket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.